All right, let's get this hike started. I'm hiking to Goat Rock in Hot Springs. I'm gonna set my guy out here and we'll see how far this is. And it's a nice trail shelter. I don't know if you can see that, but I'm currently at 0.41 miles, 147 feet of drop. 15 minutes and I'm almost there. It's not a bad spot, it's a nice view. As a matter of fact, there's a lot of great views along the trail. Just off to your right, or left, depending on which way you're headed. Whew, finally at the top of the hill. Oh, I took the long way out. I wanted to make the entire loop. I wanted to experience the whole trail. Quite a few good views on this side. It was all downhill quickly coming in from the south. Going out from the north, you're up on the ridge, and with leaf off, you can sporadically see quite a distance in places. Whew. I'm back at the road. I am 1.3 miles in. Downhill all the way out. Yes, sir. Overall, not a bad hike. It's going to be, let me look at statistics here. I'm exactly 1.5 miles now, so 1.5 miles. My lowest elevation was 780 feet. My highest elevation was 1,034. So roughly 254 feet of down, up, however you want to play it. So that's it. Appreciate you tuning in. Y'all have a great day.